In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your data in Zoho Books. Backing up your data is an essential part of managing your financial information safely and keeping your records intact. So let's get started with this simple but crucial process. First, you'll want to log into Zoho Books. Begin by clicking on the Sign In button located in your browser. Once there, you'll be prompted to choose your login method. If you have linked your account to Google, go ahead and click on the Google option. This will direct you to a page where you can select the Google account you wish to use. Pick your account and with a bit of patience, wait as the page loads. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a little time, so just sit tight. Once you're inside Zoho Books, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the settings icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. From there, scroll down to the developer and data section, which is located towards the bottom of the list. Selecting this will take you to a new set of options related to data handling. Now let's focus on the task at hand, backing up your data. In the developer and data section, locate and click on the data backup option. This is where you'll be able to manage your data export activities. The next step is to initiate the export process, which allows you to perform a backup of your current data set. Simply click on the relevant button to start the export. It's important to be mindful of a couple of things here. Once you initiate a backup, Zoho Books enforces a backup cooldown period, meaning you won't be able to create another backup for the next 15 days. This is designed to manage server load and ensure every backup is processed efficiently. However, rest assured you can always download your most recent backup file. To do this, navigate to the bottom of the backup page and click the download button to grab the latest saved data. And there you have it, a straightforward, safe way to ensure your data in Zoho Books is backed up securely. By following these steps, you can keep your financial records safe and easily accessible whenever needed. Remember to perform this action regularly to keep your data up to date and protected against any unforeseen issues. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.